I am from the Philippines, but currently I moved to a different country to work. Currently, I am in Taiwan. I have been working here for like almost 2 years now.
May I know what do you do in Taiwan?
I am working as a foreign teacher here in one of public schools.
Do you teach English there or another
Yeah,
subject?
I teach English.
Okay, how's the experience being a
A
foreign
teacher.
teacher?
Actually, it's a great experience because I was able to connect with people, especially kids from another country.
Is your job easy? How's it?
If I would rate it, it is like 8 over 10, and 10 being the highest. Yeah, it's
Ah,
hard for me because I need to adjust my culture, and also most of the time the students couldn't understand my language. They couldn't speak English. Most of them are zero English, so I need to adjust everything.